New fit. Yeah, boo. Yeah, boo. La boo. Come. Yeah, guys. Hi, my guys. Hey. Welcome to my life. Yepo, 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 yepo. Sorry. Sorry, I'm just trying to get my laptop started. And that's why it's slow down. Wow. And I'm also doing laundry, so. Yeah, guys. Hee. Okay. Let's see. Otherwise, guys, how are you? How are you guys? What have you been up to? Congratulations. Guys, I never bought a car. Never bought a car. Never in my life. Don't even have a car in my name. Kasi nga yung manifesta at andinayo. Yeah, yeah. Yes, I am under Star Quality Management. That is my acting agency. Ninga siya guys. Ni apply nga. Yepo, lapo, yepo. Malweni. Ninja, ninianzanya on a Monday night. I want reassurance that me and my baby are fully covered. That's why I'm Discovery Health Medical Scheme. They have comprehensive benefits for me during pregnancy, covering antenatal visits to GPs and specialists, scans, prenatal screenings, and birth at a private hospital. That's why okay. Discovery Health Medical Scheme. Guys, what happened? Gungkok, I never got to watch it today. New from Stimorol Infinity. Experience 2 flavors in
Thank you. Good day. One of your friends actually feels. She said, guys. Ongangishutanga bethanda guys. Today. Oh, hi Bokazini. I don't know how you can get on some coca, but I'm not going to eggs. It's only Asian. Hectic. Guys, I'm busy with something here. I went no because I was still trying to set it up, but I think mine just get longer, so I think things will share. Ja, ni tinig. Nej, då. Då. Yeah, what do you think? Audition ako. Ganda? Nasa focus ako mukha ba? This filter looks good, it looks shy. Hi. Uthina akalalanga kutheni ngoba kutheni ngalalanga kusisikole ngomso. Somebody's in a good mood. Lalela ngilide i-laptop la ukuthi isiqale angazi impilo yami inzima. Ihlala eThekwini ukuli nokunyokele. Laptop son. Thank you. I guess we'll have to watch to find out. Guys, I think we're busy. I've been even saying I don't even make TikToks anymore. Get busy and I don't know what happened to my algorithm. I'm sorry, born is thing like I saw one of my TikTok challenges and algorithm yami igcwala passion abantu bakhulumayo nje abantu akhuluma nje angi-understand ukuthi malana nani lapho mina ngifuna dansa ngiyazazi angikwazi ukudansa kodwa-ke Yabo na ban algorithm yami ithi bye my page. I stand in. I'm working tomorrow. You get an agent if you want to be an actress. Hey, ayithanda unomsindo ekhaya. I-washing machine ilokhuza ngala. Guys, I've been waiting for this laptop to start out for like 5 years now. Ngiphen imali guys. Ngiphen imali. Ngokuthi ngizoyenza la kubalulekile nje ngicela imali. Ngicela DM umtshene. Umtshene DM. Imali eningi ngifuna ukuba nemali eningi bayazi bayazi bayazi. Alright guys, I need to guys, I think I need to go and I need to use my phone to do some serious stuff. Some things I'm getting like a laptop iPhone, so I'm gonna have to use my phone. Otherwise it's been great and stuff. Nice hanging out. Come back next time, okay? Just make sure to follow me on Instagram. These are Discourse and stuff. And make sure to like my TikTok content. Okay? Thank you. Oh, guys, ngaphela nje usuku ngikhuluma kanjalo. Lingaphela nini usuku ngikhuluma kanjalo. Ngathi ngibindiwe. Ayenzi nyani lento ayifuni in fact. Oh, yavo. I take back my words. Lebo, I feel like you think I'm not someone else because I don't know who Kwaito is, and you tell me to tell Kwaito to go live. I think Ulate, Hi Lola. Bayazi. Shall Mama just not leave, guys? I think kuyahlangana. Hey, siqonomfefo. Love you too, guys, Sana. Alright, guys, bye-bye. Alright, guys, bye-bye for real. It's been great.